Good morning, wellness seekers. This is Coach Jamira Lee Johnson from the Island K Resort on Clearwater. Just to give you a quick note on how to get away with getting away. Last couple of weeks, my husband and I, Gina and I, we pounded through hours of work, and we decided to take a quick getaway this weekend to rest, and we really didn't plan it much. We just got on our vehicles, took the time off, and drove to Clearwater. And here at the Island K, we met Mr. Stewart, and he was so kind to find us a spot and a great little villa where we were able to rest. So I want to talk to you about being able to do that. If you're working hard, if you're an entrepreneur or a business owner, it is crucial that you plan your rest, because if you're burned out, you're going to resent the people that you're serving, and that's not a good way to prosper. So make sure that you're planning time off, that you can reconnect, whether it's with yourself or with your spouse or your friends, that you take time to actually do that and leave it all behind. Don't bring work to do. Don't try to rest thinking, oh, I could be doing this, I could be doing that, because that actually defeats the purpose. The whole point is for you to recharge and then repeat. So make sure that this 2019, you take the time to rest and give a call to the Island K Resort. You're gonna love it here. It's a great community. People are so friendly, and you're gonna enjoy it. You have the water just a couple of steps out, and then there's a boat ramp on the back. So if you have vessels or PWCs that you wanna bring, this is the perfect spot to do it. So this is our last day here. We're going back to work tomorrow, and we'll be back serving you. So give us a call if you need anything that we can do. And thank you for listening. And again, this is Coach Mira from Breaking Bread with Mira. Take care. I just want to show you a little bit more of the facilities here at the Island K Resort. You got space for the kids to play with. We have seen a lot of adults resting and enjoying the facilities, but if you come in, there's space for picnic table. They have barbecue pits already ready for you. They actually include bicycles and other water sport toys. So this is a little bit of it, and it's a great story what they have here. There's this, Mr. Stewart shared with us, the owner is right here most of the time, weeding and making sure that the establishment is up to, the facilities are great for pleasing everybody. Look at this resting spot. If you have a book, bring it so you can read it. There's Mr. in the parking lot. Everybody gets their assigned parking. And then within steps to the right, you could get to the ocean, to the beach. And within steps to the left, there's a boat ramp that I mentioned before that you could take to play. We've seen so many people jogging and playing and out on the road. I think this is a wonderful place to take some time to rest. And there were boated best heated pool in the area. Just to give you, just right across the street, you could get to the beach. Right there, this is Island K, and you could see the patrons walking to the beach. So check it out, Island K Beach Resort. This is Frenchie's Rockaway chowder, Rockaway oysters, grouper, and a walnut salad, and my wonderful husband. I know Florida is usually on the news for really weird stuff, but you can't tell me this is not a beautiful reason to come and take time off during the winter, full blown, all around the nation. And look at this beautiful weather here.